helicopter money. So guys, in this video we are going to explore this very interesting concept. So this particular concept of helicopter money was presented to us by economist Milton Friedman. According to him, whenever the economy is in recession, the government or the central bank, for example RBI, could actually increase the amount of money that they print. When they increase the amount of money that they print and increase this printed money towards the liquidity, and the people have more money in their hand, actually the spending power will increase. The spending will increase and that would revive the economy. So this is basic economics 101. So we are going to analyze this in the light of COVID pandemic. Now we all know that COVID pandemic has been a health hazard. Also this has been an economic nightmare because we have to inculcate a different kind of policy decision. हमें ध्यान में रखना होगा कि स्पेंडिंग बहुत कम हो गई है. इंडिया इज अ कंज्यूमर ड्रिवन इकोनॉमी. Whenever the demand will fall short, the recession is bound to happen. So to revive all that demand, government is trying to concentrate on this particular concept to revive our economy. There is a lot of debate going around this particular thing, and I just wanted to make you aware about this so that you actively participate in all these debates. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a very nice day.